Apple Watch Series 4 could bring the biggest change to Apple's wearable line yet. Apple Watch Series 4 could introduce the biggest change to Apple's wearable line yet if a leaked image of the product is accurate. The Apple Watch Series 4 is highly anticipated and is presumed to build upon everything the Series 3 did right when it released last year. The device is expected to come pre-installed with the American tech giant's watchOS 5 that brings a host of new functionality to the wearable. With the new software, users can share their activity measurements, introducing a whole new level of competitiveness between friends and family that own the smartwatch. Apple Podcasts will also debut on the new operating system, meaning users can now listen and control playback from their favorite shows by using the wearable solely. Better yet, the app will sync with iPhone automatically, meaning people can pick up where they left off no matter what hardware they are using to stream their content. One of the biggest features of the new software is what Apple is dubbing Walkie-Talkie that will allow friends and family to communicate with each other through their wrists. But it appears the Apple Watch Series 4 will also introduce one of the biggest changes to the product line ever, according to a new image obtained by 9.to5Mac. The publication posted an image of an Apple Watch sporting a noticeably bigger screen thanks to severely reduced bezels. The alleged Series 4 wearable was also pictured featuring a new microphone under the Digital Crown. 9.to5Mac insisted the image obtained was not a mock-up, suggesting it was instead official marketing material from Apple. The supposed leak seems to line up with prior predictions from analysts surrounding the newest iteration of the product line. Ming-Chi for KGI Securities, had previously emphasized the Apple Watch Series 4 would feature a new design. Earlier this year they predicted the screen on the new wearable would be 15% bigger than on previous models. Kuo also declared the device would feature better battery life than before and would tout improved health sensors. The latter suggests health and fitness will play a big part in the reveal of the Series 4 as has been tradition with previous watches. Apple recently sent out media invitations to a hardware event on September 12 that will surely lift the lid on the Series 4 and its new features. That means fans of the trillion-dollar company will not have to wait long to see what it has in store. Express.co.uk will be covering the event on September 12 live.